Following the resignation of Pyniaid Sing Syiem as MDC of Sohryngkham Constituency and CEM of the KHADC to contest the upcoming MDC election from a new constituency, the NPP Sohryngkham Block has officially announced Elias Kharbihkhiew, a resident of Mawlyngngad, as its candidate. The announcement was made on the 20th of December 2024 at Kharbihkhiew's residence in Mawlyngngad in the presence of key party leaders and supporters, including Gavin Mylliem, the MLA and NPP President of East Khasi Hills, Hamletson Dohling, Working President, Kitborlang Nongrem, State Secretary and other dignitaries. In his address, Elias Kharbihkhiew expressed gratitude and joy, recounting his long-standing aspiration since 2003 to serve the public through politics. Despite earlier challenges, he remained committed to the public service through community work in his locality. He highlighted that the people of Mawlyngngad had prepared him well for leadership, even amidst difficulties. Kharbihkhiew emphasized that his goal in entering politics is not personal gain, but to advocate for crucial issues such as preserving customs, protecting land and resources, and fostering the well-being of the community. He also proposed introducing minimal remuneration for village leaders, acknowledging the demanding nature of their responsibilities.
Ini tersebuah perhat bahawa saudara menolak lakwa elek NPP tahun bercak berperai atau berperai dan rong kota. Ya, plus hold ini begitu di sana rupanya. Imat ulai elek election NPP melayuk besar sibun mengarang dan kampusah. Ngelis payah mana pun kiramba dalam tujuan berper ngasuang tangkat ni. Lulus saya payah ngasuang keren tangkat sambil abel. Lebih banyak kan sekian datang Khasi milik abian. Nama apa? Kakam sesiap kada. Kami rekam bersia lek dan besar. Kami rekam bersia tiap. Kami rekam bersia kali. Kami rekam ban bersumpuk ban ketak kebor berhak sumber. Beliau besar kerbin gini lain orang itu. Jadi pergi nak kadau lah abian pelat nong peristri. Harga sekarang beliau sekian terak beliau tu di sini akibatnya. List pajak kontak ini yang berapa? Kacau teknologi kan nombor nasional. Macam berapa kali gawe? Kalau berapa apa bagian tu? Mana bagian tu? Mudah dah bagian tu. Dah siapa bagian? Mudah dah. Ubah seperti lengkap dua kecil tuna, lengkap dua kamu kalai, kecil bahari belum cik snow dah. Kau ke projek kebawahan dan serkar hasil tree dan snow tree. Kadang lantai, kacik seluruh dan kacik bahar dan. Senang selok kowe, baik lah kemian. Kita pelayak lut, dia na. Kita lah, terhadap dan kau dia kata. Hamlet dia kata. Hamlet imlang, berkat. Tak ada baik baik ban kedua keti, dia kibat kau long dah. Dia curi kau dah, buat mesti ada itu.
Gavin Mylliem described Elias Kharbihkhiew as a seasoned and well-educated candidate with the capability to excel in politics. He encouraged voters to support him in the election. Hamletson Dohling noted that after the decline of the PDF party, the NPP stood out as a party with visionary leadership, capable of driving progress in the state. He urged upon Kharbihkhiew to focus on tangible development projects rather than engaging in conflicts with other candidates. Kitborlang Nongrem, a veteran village leader, stressed the importance of electing experienced and reliable candidates like Kharbihkhiew to avoid political instability. The event also saw speeches from other leaders, community members and supporters who pledged their unwavering support for Elias Kharbihkhiew. With optimism and faith in God, Kharbihkhiew vowed to work tirelessly for the people and expressed gratitude for the overwhelming support he received since the start of his campaign.
Elias Kharbihkhiew berkunju on ayu irajing scam hapi kum kinong kitam jawa parti NPP jong ka 6 Sohryngkham Constituency berkowe. Pyniaid Sing Syiem dan kata Gavin Mylliem jo je trela mangiso thu Siem mengetrai Hakikam jo bobot pala kumau juang kandon le si ke jinge peni kandon le jinge thera tai hangen te ane ka thong ka bahak madu kalong idan kaman bui pai bahak ma berkumju bagin kemau bagin tre na benta ban penti kana bai ba Elias Kharbihkhiew in poi shaka thong jo jinjo na benta kan election NPC kapanwan the tiny kintin baknget